In the next tutorial we will learn how to correctly install the panels that form a green lock to enclose the work area that protects passengers and workers from any danger. We begin by demarcating the area to be enclosed with any type of visible tape too.
When delimiting the area, it must be taken into account that each panel measures 50 centimeters. That is to say that the total measurement must be a multiple of 50, this to avoid cutting the panel.
With double-sided tape we glue the profiles where our panels will be embedded. We locate the corners and distribute the vertical tubes in equal measures. Regardless of the measure, the distance should not be greater than 3 meters. The lower part of each tube must have its base with its respective non-slip paper and a bag of sand to create counterweight and stability. Once the vertical tubes are located, we proceed to install the horizontal tubes at a distance of approximately 1 meter in height, securing them to the vertical tubes with a fixed clamp, double clamp. It should be noted that the horizontal tube is located between the panel and the vertical tube. We make sure to install the following horizontal pipes at 2 meters from the floor by adjusting them with the fixed clamps. Then we secure with rotating clamps or swivel clamp a support to each vertical tube. With tubes of approximately 2 meters, it must be located perpendicular to the wall. In this same way we install the rest of the diagonals up to where the direction changes or the wall ends.
Remember that once the structure is assembled, by means of a level we make sure that it is not crooked or uneven.
Next we proceed to the installation of the panels, embedding them in an orderly manner to the previously installed U-profiles. We start by installing the first 2 panels, adjusting them without leaving space between them and checking that they are at the same level. We secure them to the horizontal tubes with the joiners. We install the third panel taking into account that there are no spaces left. We repeat the procedure until we reach a change of direction or our wall is finished. We install the other tubes up to where there is a change of direction or a door. And the same procedure of the previous wall is carried out again. If there is a 90-degree change of direction or a corner, we use the profile for this purpose. When changing direction, do not forget to secure the 2 corner posts with a fixed clamp and 2 horizontal tubes. In the case that there is a door, a vertical tube is installed at each end of it and they are secured with 2 horizontal tubes at the top, securing it to the 2 vertical tubes with 3 U-type clamps on each side. We repeat the process on the door frame. We put the panels on the upper part of the door. And we finish anchoring the doors to the frame with their respective lock. Once we got to the end of our wall, we installed the profiles on top of our panels. Finally, we install a security sticker every 6 panels depending on the length of the wall, and if the space is less than 6 panels, it must be located on the central panel. Always remember to work safely with your personal protection equipment (PPE).